Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you all are doing great, and I wish you all are getting better and better in your concepts regarding the pseudocodes in C language. So before moving ahead, I would like to request every one of you to kindly like and comment down your views regarding this channel, because believe me, whether your responses are positive or negative, it is really going to help us in creating such a unique content for you guys continuously. So let's get to our next question in this series. So our next question is this. I would suggest everybody of you to kindly pause your video and just try to solve this question, and I hope you can solve this easily, right? Because we have already discussed the concept behind this in our previous videos. So I hope you all got some answers. So let us see how to solve this question. So before moving to the solution, I would like to give you the golden statement for this question. So the golden statement for this question is printf function returns an integer value. You all know this, but here it's a bit tricky. So I have kept this question for you, okay? Because it is asked in various kinds of interviews also. So as you know that printf returns an integer value, right? So here we are having two printfs, a printf and a printf inside a printf, okay? So first this printf will be executed, because whatever value this printf will be returning, that will be printed by this %d. Okay, that you understood, right? So what this printf will be printing is %s. %s, as I said, it is a format specifier to print strings on the output console. Okay. So what is the string here? The string here is hello world. Okay. So this hello world is going to be printed by this %s on the output console. Okay, there's no doubt in this. Okay, so hello world with exclamation mark will be printed on the output console. Now what this printf printed on the output console, you need to count the number of characters it prints successfully. Okay, so as we can see here, hello world is this string is entirely printed in the output console, right? So you need to count here HELLO, then a space also, because space is also a character, right? And you need to count each and every single character. Okay, then WORLD, and also this exclamation mark. So entire thing you need to calculate, and that value will be returned by this printf, and that will get printed by this %d. Okay, so it's a quite forward thing. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. Okay, so as I said, percentage is used to print the strings. Okay, so printf not only prints the content on the screen but also returns the number of characters that it successfully prints on the screen. See, this line is very important because in future videos I will be giving you some questions where you cannot directly count here. Okay, you need to count what is getting printed on the output console basically. Okay, so there are some format specifiers, I could say, that can change the things. Okay, I will discuss in later videos, don't worry, just understand this thing. So you need to count the number of characters that is successfully prints on the output screen. So remember this word. So hello world, you count this, total 12 characters are printed. Okay, so first hello world is printed, then 12 is printed. So as we can see, hello world is printed first, then 12 is printed. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you all got this concept. It is a very simple question, but yes, it can confuse during your interviews. That's why I have kept this in this series. And in future videos also, I will be giving you some questions based on this logic only. But that will be quite trickier. Okay, so the complexity will increase, as I said you earlier also. The complexity of the questions will be increasing day by day. So that's it. I would request you all to kindly like and comment down your views, so that will really help us. Okay, that's it. Thank you.